wondered how people go from short to long, voluminous hair in minutes? The secret is tape-in hair extensions. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to apply them so your hair looks natural, seamless, and beautiful. Step 1. Preparation. Start with freshly washed, dry hair. Avoid conditioner near the roots because oils or slippery residue can weaken the tape's grip. A quick tip: blow dry your hair straight so it's easier to section and the tapes lay flat. Step 2. Sectioning the hair. Using a tail comb, section your hair horizontally, starting from the nape. Keep the partings neat and thin, about ½ an inch wide. Clip away the rest of your hair with sectioning clips, so you only work with one row at a time. Clean sectioning is key for a natural finish. Step 3. Applying the tape-ins. Take a very thin slice of your natural hair, thin enough so light can almost pass through it. Place one tape underneath, close to the scalp but not touching it, then press another tape directly on top like a sandwich. Make sure the two tapes align perfectly with your hair in between. Press firmly with your fingers for a few seconds to secure the bond. Step 4. Continue section by section. Work your way up the head, repeating the same method row by row. Keep at least 1 inch of space between each row so the extensions don't overlap or feel bulky. It's better to use fewer, well-placed tapes than to overcrowd your hair. This ensures comfort and a smooth, natural look. Step 5. Blending the hair. Once all the extensions are in place, gently brush your hair from the ends upward to avoid pulling on the tapes. Use a flat iron or curling wand to style the hair together, making the extensions blend seamlessly with your natural strands. Just remember, avoid applying direct heat on the actual tape bonds. And here's the final transformation: longer, fuller hair that still looks like it's yours. One quick tip: wait at least 48 hours before washing your hair so the tapes can set properly. With good care, tape-in hair extensions can last 6 to 8 weeks before needing a move-up. If you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more hair education videos. Want to see styling ideas with tape-ins? Check out the next video right here. I think you'll love it.